3D technology is reshaping the production landscape, and the benefits of it are truly transformative. One of the main benefits of 3D printing in manufacturing is its efficiency and design freedom. Traditional manufacturing methods often involve subtracting material from a larger block, leading to material waste. With 3D printing, you can add material layer by layer, reducing waste and saving resources. And the design possibilities are virtually limitless, enabling the creation of complex geometries that were previously impractical or impossible to manufacture. Rapid prototyping is a game changer. With 3D printing, digital designs swiftly transform into physical prototypes. This accelerates the product development cycle, allowing faster iterations and shorter time to market. Tailoring products to individual needs is easier than ever. 3D printing enables customization and personalization at scale. Additionally, it significantly reduces tooling costs. Unlike traditional methods that demand costly molds, 3D printing eliminates the need for many tools, making small batch production feasible. "3D printing embraces sustainability. Unlike subtractive manufacturing, it minimizes material waste by adding material only where required. It also offers supply chain flexibility. Digital designs can be shared and produced on-site, reducing transportation costs and lead times. Here at Epec, we use 3D printing to get design concepts and prototypes quickly to customers to reduce their costs and to build tooling fixtures to help us build the product faster. Efficiency, rapid prototyping, customization, and sustainability are all propelling industries into a new era. As engineers, embracing this technology empowers us to innovate and create a more sustainable and adaptable manufacturing world.